student. Today I am going to explain you your chapter from your social studies book, The Western Desert. This is class 4 social studies. Turn the page number 32 and read along with me. The land to the west of the Aravalli Hills in Rajasthan is rocky and sandy. This is the Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert. It stretches from the Rann of Kutch in the Gujarat through Rajasthan to the border of Haryana. So student, you see here it is talking about the western part of Aravalli Hills. This site is actually a desert. You will find it there rocky and sandy land. That is a great Indian desert, very popularly known as Thar Desert. It stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. It is a large area of salt marshes, okay, where we get salt. It is located in Gujarat and its border shears up to Haryana. Now next point is the land area of Western Desert. The Thar Desert is covered with a thick sheet of loose sand. At some places there are small hills of sand called sand dunes. Sometimes strong winds which blow here carry a large amount of sand with them. They can shift the sand dunes. There are very few streams in the Thar Desert. They mostly remain dry. Luni is the most important river. At some places oases are found. The land around an oasis is fertile. People grow crops here. Thus most villages are situated around this oasis. Student, this area of desert, that is Thar Desert, it's covered up of loose sand, and some places you will find, or we can see that, hills of sand, that is sand hills, and sometimes the very strong winds blow the sand and replace the area with very flat sand. Okay, strong wind which blow here, they carry a big amount of sand and they replace it in some other place and make a sand dunes. There are very few streams, that is water streams are there in the desert, okay, and mostly the water streams are dry. Luni is the most important river flow throughout the Thar Desert. Is the only source of water in that Thar Desert. So Luni is the longest river in that area. It is about 495 km long. Some places in the Thar Desert we can see the oasis. Oasis is a lake around which people used to stay with their cattle and they grow crops for their livelihood. It is this oasis actually we can see in the desert only. Now come to the next topic, that is climate. So the Thar Desert remains hot and dry throughout the year. There are very little or no rainfall. In summer days are very hot and nights are cool. In winter days are warm and nights are very cold. So climatic condition of Thar Desert, we can see that the Thar Desert is remain hot throughout the year. Okay, it is very hot area and is a dry area. Okay, throughout the year there is no rainfall, or whenever it's very less. Not like us, how the amount of rainfall we get in our area, it is not like that. So in summer days also it's very hot and winter also is hot, but night time is cool. Winter days are warm, that is hot, and nights are comparatively cold. Student, our next topic is natural vegetation. So natural vegetation of Western Desert, that is Thar Desert. Now see what is written here. A hot and dry climate means that mostly scattered bushes and thorny shrubs grow here. That means in this desert you can see the plants grow in these areas are bushes, okay, and very lots of thorny shrubs. There is no big trees, okay, in that area. The trees like khejri, kikar and babul are grow, okay. The khejri, kikar and babul trees grow in the eastern part of the desert, okay. See, don't be confused, we are talking about western desert, okay, and here it is written the khejri, kikar and babul trees grow in the eastern part of the desert, okay. Animals such as camels, blackbucks, chinkaras and great Indian boosters are found in this region. The camel is the most important animal. Why? The animals we can see in these regions are mostly camels. Camel is the most important animal for desert. People used to carry their things, or for traveling from one place to another place they use camels. And some places we can see that blackbucks, chinkaras is a kind of deers found in that area. And great Indian boosters is a kind of bird also available in that region. Can you tell me why camels are most useful animal in desert? Because camel can survive without water for longer time. Next point is water supply. There is always very little water. Village women walk long distance to fetch water. The state government is trying to provide water for domestic use and irrigation. Water from river Satluj has been brought to the desert through the Indira Gandhi Canal. The farmers can thus grow wheat, mustard and cotton. So water supply in this area, you see that this area is a desert area and there is only one river, that is Luni. Okay, and there is no other sources. So people cannot grow their crops in this area, and for drinking water women need to walk far from. They have to bring the water far from. So to solve that problem, state government, that is government of Rajasthan, they are trying to get the water from river Satluj. That Satluj river is from Haryana, Punjab. Okay, and there they make a canal. Through that canal they bring the water in that area, and farmer can start to grow wheat, mustard and cotton in that area. The canal name is given Indira Gandhi Canal, which connects this area with the Satluj river. Turn the page and see next topic is occupation. Peoples mostly rear sheep, goat, camel and cattle. Some of them are farmers. They grow bajra, jowar, maize, sesame and groundnut. Some people also travel from one place to another in search of food for themselves and their animals. Such people are called banjaras. Life in the Thar desert is thus very hard. So mostly that occupation, talking about occupation, so you know what is occupation? For livelihood people used to earn, the process is called occupation. People mostly rear the sheep. That means they have sheep, goat and camel and cattle. Some farmers they grow bajra, jowar, maize, sesame and groundnut, from which they get wheat, they get flour and they make rotis, chapatis. Some people they travel from one place to another place in search of food for themselves and for their animals. This kind of people they call banjaras. All these situations make the life difficult in Thar desert. Now houses. Most houses have a flat roof and a few small windows. The walls are thick to keep the heat out so that the houses remain cool. Some houses have groundwater tanks to store rainwater. Such tanks are called tankas. So in the houses in this desert area, people they make their roof very low and they keep very small windows, and the wall of the house is very thick so that they protect the heat to enter inside the house. Some people they have underground water tank to keep the rainwater, that is rainwater harvesting, so that in the after the rain they can use this water. These kind of tanks are called tankaras in their local language. Now see the lifestyle of Thar desert people. Women in villages wear ghagra, choli and dhondni. Men wear dhoti, kurta and turban. People love to eat dal bati churma. They celebrate Ghungur and Tej. Ghumar and Kalbelia are popular folk dance. So lifestyle of that Thar desert peoples, they like to eat dal bati churma, a kind of a dish. They celebrate Ghangur and Tej. They have two kind of festivals. One is Ghangur and one is Tej. They have a two kind of popular folk dance. It's called Ghumar and Kalbelia. Now you see the major cities in Rajasthan. Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer and Bikaner are some big cities. Jaipur is called the Pink City. It is famous for blue pottery. A large number of tourists from all over the world visit Rajasthan every year. So major cities in Rajasthan are, main city is Jaipur. Jaipur is a state capital of Rajasthan. After that comes Udaipur and Jodhpur, Jaisalmer and Bikaner. Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan, is called Pink City. Another name is given Pink City. It is famous for its blue pottery. Large number of people around the world they visit this Pink City every year. Now student, you see words to know from your book, page number 35, Run of Kutch, Pink City. You read by yourself, and after that you can see that tick the correct answer, fill in the blanks. You try to do yourself. After that I'll give you that all that question answer through your Miley app. At last I'll inform you some great or interesting fact about Great Indian Desert. This desert is actually a natural boundary between Pakistan and India. The 85% of desert is there in our India and 15% is there in Pakistan. Run of Kutch, large area of salt marshes.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourselves, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. Hum honge kamyab. Jai Hind.